Hi Wonder Yogis, my name is Idan, and if you working out and your muscles feel sore, then you are at the right place, because in this video we're gonna do a 5-minute yoga routine to relieve sore muscles. All you need is yourself, a yoga mat or an exercise mat, and without further ado, let's begin. So first of all, let's stretch and release soreness in the legs. So stand, feet parallel, hip distance apart. Slide your arms on your shins until you feel a good stretch on the back of the legs. Now from here, start to paddle your heels one by one. Lift the heels off and lower down. This is a great stretch for the back of the legs, for the calf muscles, the hamstring, the glute even. Release the soreness after a leg day or just after a long day on your feet. Excellent. Now from here, bend the knees a little bit, place your hands down, and then straighten the right leg, keep the left bent, and open the right arm up to the sky. You're gonna feel a good stretch on the leg and maybe chest. Lower down, bend the right, straighten the left, open up and twist. To the other side, bend the left, straighten the right, open towards the right side, other side. One more for each side. Lower. Oh yeah. Excellent. And from here, slowly come down to the ground on your hands and knees. Now from here, release your toes. Bring your toes together, knees apart. Place your booty on top of your heels and stretch with your hands forward into child pose. An amazing pose to stretch the lower back and hips. Walk with both hands towards the left side. Place the right hand on top of the left to stretch the lower back and the side body. I love doing this after exercises, after I go and really move my body. This is a great one to decompress, to nourish the muscles, so you can try and train harder the next day. Now walk with both hands towards the right side. Place the left on top of the right. This is a great everyday routine to really release the tightness from the body, whatever the reason, whatever the cause. Excellent. Walk with your hands to the center and come back up into all-four position on your hands and knees. Make sure your feet are at the end of the mat, and from here let's stretch the chest and shoulders. So send your hands forward as far as you can without moving the hips, and when you can't no more, lower the forehead down to the ground into puppy pose. A great pose to stretch the front side of the body, the belly, the chest, the shoulders. If you can't reach with your forehead all the way down, you can grab a pillow or a blanket or a towel and place your head on top of it. Hold it in here, breathe in and out through the nose, deep inhalations. Control the exhalations. Hold it for 3, 2, and slowly come back up. And through the side body, move to lay on your back. Oh yeah. The last part we're gonna stretch our hips, hips and lower back, the glute as well. So from this position, cross the right ankle over the left knee and press the knee away from you. Lift the leg up and send the arms forward. Interlace the finger and pull the left leg towards you until you feel a good stretch on the right hip, the right glute. Flex both feet, left and right. Press the knee away. A great stretch after a long day of sitting, after a leg day. So many benefits for this single, simple stretch. Let's release it and do it on the other side. So cross the left ankle over the right knee. Lift the right leg up, send the arms forward and pull. Feels so good. The leg towards you. Flex both feet, left and right. Hold it for 3, 2, and slowly release. Shake it out. And that's it. This feels so better. This was a simple 5-minute yoga routine to release and relieve sore muscles. So you can do this one after every day at work. You can do this one after you exercise to release the soreness and the tightness from the muscles. Super simple. We started first of all by stretching the legs. Then we stretch the spine, the back, and the legs as well with a twist. Then we move to stretch the lower back, the hips, the chest and shoulders, and finished with the legs, hip and glute again. Super simple, super effective. Do it every day and you're gonna feel so much better. Now, the exercises I share with you here today are just a taste from the flexibility routine I shared on the flexibility cheat sheet. In this cheat sheet, you can find more exercises, more poses that you can do to really relieve the soreness from the body and improve your flexibility so you won't feel sore again. You can find this cheat sheet below this video. There is a link. Click on it, grab the cheat sheet, completely free, and start practicing and improving your flexibility and enjoy soreness-free days. To make sure more people can enjoy this session, simply click the share button, send it over to your friends, your bestie, your co-workers, anyone that can benefit from this routine. And of course, save this one for later so you can come back to it whenever you need it. Oh yeah. So thank you again for practicing with me. I really hope you find this routine helpful for you, and I will see you here again on another video. Until then, always remember to do yoga. It just makes life better. See you. Bye bye.